For our lesson Sohcahtoa, we will have three parts discussing So, Ka, and Toa. So for So, let's say the value of So is... Oh, by the way, new introduction, there will be angles now. Remember those circle things? There will be angles now. Forgot to put the value on Ka. I'll just put a value on it later. But they have values now. Okay, so looking at So. So opposite equals 15 and hypotenuse is missing. So So is sine. Sine equals O over H. So this is how to solve it. Since H has no value, the placeholder for H will be the letter X. And the value of the angle will be beside sine. So it will be sine 46. Earlier, if you guys remembered, there is that circle with a line in the middle thing. So that's that. That's the angle. So it will be then this to step 2. So how did we get this? So if you have a scientific calculator, here, you would then look for sine. Then it would be sine 46. Sine 46. Oops, wrong. Actually, it's not sine 46. It's sine 48. Sorry, my handwriting is kind of bad. So it would be 0.74. So that's how we got that value. And so how did we get the 1? We put the 1 there so we could cross multiply. And then boom, chakalaka, cross multiplied all of that already. It would be 0.74x equals 15. So to proceed to the next step, we will have to divide them to this guy's value, the value with the X symbol on it. So we could remove this guy and only have the X symbol. So divide each other with the value with the symbol on it. So 15 divided by 0.74, that would be 20.27. X equals 20.27. So this X is actually hypotenuse. And now you got your hypotenuse using the saw. Now, let's go to Toa. For Toa, this is the value. The one that's missing is adjacent, actually opposite, and the value that we have is adjacent. The value of adjacent is 8. So, it's Toa. Toa, not saw. So, instead of using sine, we're using tangent. You can find tangent here. They're all already in the group, sin, cos, tan. So, how did we get this? Same thing with sine, but instead using tangent. Tangent 36, 0.73. It's 0.73 because we rounded this off already. And same steps. Boom chakalaka, transfer this guy here. Put a 1 value so you can cross multiply. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 sahul. 0.73x divided by 0.73. And 8 divided by 0.73. There you go. Your final value. So the value of your adjacent would be 10.96. It's pretty easy once you learn the first steps. The first step is really the only thing that changes with the sine, cosine, and tangent. So yeah, let's proceed with co. Now proceeding to to, our angle value would be 32. That is not 12. That is 32. And the value of hypotenuse would be 9. Value of adjacent is nil, which is x. Nil is 0. So cosine 32. We can find it in the calculator besides sine. Cosine 32 would be cosine 32 would be 0.85, because round off anything above 5 or just 5, round it off and add the value on the second part, which is here, so it would be 0.85. Boom, 0.85. You got it. Put one value below it so you can cross multiply. Cross multiply 0.85x. 9 times 1 is 9. Then divide it with itself. Then you get 10 point. Whoa, that's not 59. It's then divide it. 9 divided by 0.85 would be. It is 10.59. 10.59. So that's pretty much it for the new lesson. Thank you for learning, and see you on the next one.